In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an Excel sheet into R. The easiest way to do it is first let's do File, New File, R script. Right, we have an R script. We can save it if we wanted to. We can save as and save it where we want to on our uh, desktop. So we create a new file, then we go Import Dataset from Excel, Browse, click on Browse, then go where you have your data set. In my case, it's here on desktop, and then chapter 12, class example, which we did together in class. And then rather than just import it, I will copy this code because every time I close R, I will have to do this step. So I just copied this code, Control C or Command C if you have Mac. And then I can go here and put the library. I need read Excel, which is to import Excel. Then I change the name. I just do DF, simplify the name. And here's the data set that I want to import. And then view, I just have to change to DF so I can view my data set. And here we see the year and the sales revenue, which is the data set that I just imported.